So my wife not feeling good, so I made her some homemade chicken cream of soup with homemade buttermilk biscuits. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Homemade cream of chicken noodle soup with homemade buttermilk biscuits, man. This gonna get the cold up out of right here. That's gonna get the cold up out of her. Yes, sir. Nice and creamy. Nice and creamy chicken noodle soup, man. Nice and creamy chicken noodle soup. I'm coming with everything I said. The hot sauce. I'm coming with everything for all my doubters, haters, stepping on y'all niggas' neck.